Good morning. So this is the terrace space for our latest penthouse. Now, although it is facing back, with this property, your terrace finishes here. So you will have a wall here. So essentially, all this terrace space here and all this terrace space is private to the property. Now, we feel that if you put here a 4-door balcony windows, so doors opening backwards, well then you'll get lots of light going into the property, but also then from your living kitchen area you will have fantastic sea view. Okay, so that is your sea view. Here you will have a wall directly across. Here we put double doors or 4 doors, so opening backwards. And then here is your back terrace. And we could also change this window here and put a door. Okay. Just to give you an idea, we've already renovated the front penthouse. So you can see the external of the property is replastered. We put in a wall here. Okay, this is their front terrace, and then here we put in 3 single doors, but I think there it would be better to put in 4. So as you can see, wall would go here, and that would be all your private terrace at the back.